Hello and welcome to this Project in a Box hints and tips session. In this session we're going to be talking about looking at views, and we're going to be focusing on views from the perspective of Planner predominantly. Okay, so here we are in Planner. Most of you will be familiar with how Planner works, what it provides you with, plans, risks and issues, and you will have usually seen it in a default mode, as we would call it, a default view, where you're seeing all the tasks or all the risks or all the issues, and you are contributing data to them. You're in a data entry type mode. But Planner also has quite a strong capability around analysis, and this is really built into the views area. So here in the ribbon at the top we have the home part of the ribbon, which is focusing us on adding new items and updating them, and this sort of data entry type activities. If we come to the next tab along, which is views and filters, you'll see you have the ability to select a view. And so I can come down here and choose one of the pre-existing views that are packaged with Planner to use to analyze my data. So if I want to look at overdue tasks, like that, it's going to go away, apply some filters. We can see that's now colored on, and the filters are going to strip out the non-overdue tasks for me. That's what it's done. It may have also changed the data columns that I'm seeing. It may have changed the data ranges. It may have changed the colors of some of these items. That's all built into the view, but it's taking you straight to a piece of analysis. So it's not just a data entry tool, but you can go away and get insightful information about your tasks here. So you can choose whichever view you want. So if we go milestones and summaries only, that's going to give us a sort of overview version of the plan. And of course with all these we can right click and copy the image, or grab that shortened set of tasks out as a data set as well, so you can go and use this immediately somewhere else. So really useful to get to a particular set of data. There's a whole range of things here that you'll find interesting. Just to pick out the fact about the columns changing. If I go to a cost view, we've got a big data model behind Planner, most of which you don't normally see when you're just putting in descriptions, commentaries, resource names. It's calculating for you the costings, and that's all available. So this is a view which really just switches the columns around to give me all of the cost type data. So pretty straightforward to use. If you save this plan and reopen it later, it will stay in the same view. If the view includes a filter, it switches the filter off. So you will see all of your tasks, but you may see a strange set of columns. So it's very easy to come back to, return it to default view like that, and you'll be into the one that you've been familiar with so far. Of course, same thing happens in risks and issues. So I can come to my risks view and I can come and look at top 5 risks by residual expected value, and it goes away and gets me those. So pretty straightforward, works in exactly the same way as it did in tasks, and obviously issues is the same again. The types of views that you have available to you here are different, because obviously the data that we run in each of these sort of areas is different, and the things that you're interested in will be different. So so that the view list is different, but it all works in exactly the same way. As you'll see here, you can save your own views, you can edit them, and you can save them as well associated with your plan, and we'll talk about that in the next session. Thank you very much.